Welcome to ShowFi. Are you ready to take your business online? With our revolutionary platform, you can build a stunning store in minutes.
ShowFi is what I've been using to sell. I just decided to do this video presentation so that we can also have benefit on how to use this platform. So before we start, I want you to subscribe to my channel and ensure to put on the notification bell, because I'll be doing more videos on ShowFi. Then we can know how to use the system and also how to make it work for us. So the first thing I will do, because I already have a store, but I will just show us how to create our own store. So on this page, if you don't have one, you can just click or tap on create new shop. So once you tap on create new shop, you are going to see the price, especially for us that is in Nigeria. It's much cheaper for us to own a store on ourselves. This store has the capacity of giving you digital products and also physical products. You can sell whatever you want to sell, and your registered customers in your own platform can order. Then you can do justice to your customers. So it's also, when you create a store, your customer can sign up to your store and do whatever they want to do with you on your store. It has a lot of massive feature that you can use to streamline what product you are selling. So it's very, very awesome. This is not Wix. This is more better than Wix, and straightforward and clean. So I have mine. It's also better than Shopify because it removes some technicality that you don't want to face. First, you have to choose your shop category. Once you see your shop category, you select it. Let's say I want to sell online, or I want to sell digital products. I click on digital products. Then you choose your domain name. Domain name is your brand name. So if you have one brand name, you create it. So when writing your domain name, do not put space or capital letter. So everything should be small. So let's say I want to make tech 5. So okay, so this will be my domain name for tech 5. So it's available. I put my email here, put my password. I repeat my password. So once that is done, you just click on register shop. Then you follow the rest instruction. So all right, so this is my account, my ShowFi account, and this is the ShowFi dashboard. So you have everything you need on this dashboard. So get to your custom domain. You can change the theme. You can connect your domain. So if you have your own personal domain, once you click on that domain, you can connect your domain. I will still show us how to connect domain, but you see this button here. You can click on it. It will get you to the major setup of your store. So you have the general settings, the payment gateway where you receive payment, your website. So you can copy your website link at your website and share it to friends. You can go to the plugins to make your configuration, and also add item and add category. So this is where we are going to draw our curtain for today. To subscribe to this channel and also put on your notification bell. Thank you.